We like to think decisions are all about logic, but in reality, emotions drive most of what we choose or avoid. Fear, guilt, pressure, or insecurity can hijack a decision before realizing what's happening. In this lecture, we will learn about separating the emotional noise from the real question. It's not about ignoring your feelings. It's about learning to notice them without letting them run the show. Because when your head is clearer, your choices get simpler. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to spot emotional patterns that make decisions harder. Pause before reacting impulsively or overcorrecting. Use short tools to stay grounded when emotions feel strong. Make choices that align with your values, not just your mood, when emotions hijack your decisions. Emotions are not the problem, but ignoring them or letting them take over is. They often signal something important, but when they are in control, your thinking can shift into extremes. If I say no, they'll be upset. I failed once, so I'll probably fail again. If I don't decide now, I'm wasting time. These thoughts aren't facts, they're stress talking. When decisions are made in that state, they tend to arise from panic or avoidance, not clarity. Name the emotion, then return to the question. Next time you feel tangled in a choice, ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Is it fear of regret? Guilt? Pressure to please? Impatience? Labeling the emotion doesn't solve the problem, but it gives you distance. It shifts your brain from reaction to observation. That small shift helps you focus on the actual decision, not just the feeling around it. Create a mental pause point. When emotions flare, your brain pushes for speed, but clarity needs space. A simple phrase like, I don't need to decide this second, can break the urgency. Unless it's a real emergency, you usually have time to take a breath, step back, or come back to the decision later. Even 5 quiet minutes can shift you from, I need to fix this now, to let me actually think this through. That space is where better choices happen. Use a values over feelings lens. Feelings come and go. Values stay steady. So when you're stuck between options, ask yourself, which one matches the kind of person I want to be? Which one reflects my actual priorities, not just today's mood? That kind of question helps you zoom out. It puts the emotional moment in perspective, without dismissing it. Let go of the urge to over-explain. When emotions rise, you may feel the urge to justify your choices to others or even to yourself in long, dramatic detail. But often, clarity is quiet. Try it. This feels right for me right now. I've thought it through, and this is my next step. You don't need a full emotional report. You just need a steady place to stand.